Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your laptop is awake and unlocked, and you know whether you're on Windows 10/11 or Mac OS. Once done, open Settings, press Windows key plus I on Windows, or click the Apple menu and choose System Preferences on Mac OS. This first action is essential because Do Not Disturb options live inside system-level controls. Make sure you have admin access if settings are restricted. Now that settings is open, move to the Notifications or Focus section to begin changing Do Not Disturb. Once you're in the correct panel, find Do Not Disturb or Focus settings. On Windows, this may be under Notifications and Actions or Focus Assist, while on Mac OS it's under Notifications and Focus. Now, disable any active toggle labeled Do Not Disturb, turn off automatic schedules, and deactivate rules that silence notifications. Do this because scheduled or rule-based D&D often reactivates itself. Clearing schedules prevents re-enabling. After toggling off, confirm you can see normal notification badges and sounds again. To finish, verify changes by sending a test notification or opening an app that normally notifies you. This confirms Do Not Disturb is truly off. If notifications remain blocked, restart the laptop. That clears lingering system states. Make sure app-level notification permissions are enabled because individual apps can still be silenced. If problems persist after a restart and checking permissions, reset the notification settings or create a new user account to isolate the issue. This often reveals whether it's system-wide or user-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.